How to see chats on Snapchat without adding them. First things first is pull up your Snapchat application, then head over to your messages. Now from here, just simply press on the magnifying glass. Now let's try a random example for this tutorial. So let's try this one. So for you to be able to chat with this specific person without adding them, just simply press on the three dots right here, go to send profile to, and then add a chat that you wanted to send to that person without adding them, and then look for that person here under recents, this one. So once you tap on OK, it will automatically send that person a message without adding them. So that's how you can add, or that's how you can see chats on Snapchat without adding them.